To ensure the automated counting machines or ACMs are in proper working condition, the Commission on Elections or COMELEC began the final testing and sealing process today, May 2, which will run until May 7. One of the testing locations is Pateros Elementary School, where they also check if all election materials are complete and ready for use. COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia explained that this process allows enough time to address any issues, particularly those that might arise in the initialization report.
Zero initialization. Ang ibig sabihin po noon, at napaka-importante yon, makikita nyo mamaya magpiprint siya, zero ang laman niya sa lahat ng positions. Magmula sa senador hanggang sa konsihal. Ayan, magkakaroon ng initialization report na tinatawag, ibig sabihin wala siyang laman.
He also noted that the ACMs are user-friendly and feature touchscreen technology. Officials are also verifying whether the ballots sent to each area are correct and match their respective precincts.
Ang purpose namin dito ay kung ano yung kulang, kung anong dapat palitan, kung mismong buong makina ay dapat palitan o yung mismong SD card ay dapat palitan, yan po ay gagawin ng komisyon. Kaya nga po in-insist namin sa lahat ng local COMELEC namin sa buong Pilipinas na ang final testing and sealing ay hanggang 7 lamang.
Aside from the repair hub, there are also backup machines in case any ACM malfunctions. They are also checking whether votes are correctly stored in the USB drives. A representative from the European Union Election Observer Mission was also present during the process. Another key part of final testing and sealing is ensuring that members of the Electoral Board are familiar with how to operate the ACM. This is to make sure they are fully prepared and follow the proper process on Election Day.
Okay naman po, madali naman po dahil unang-una po, nagkaroon po kami ng training, tapos po nagkaroon po kami ng refresher course para po, bago po namin gawin tong initialization, final testing. So, yun po, para alam po namin kung ano po ang gagawin naming mga guro.
According to Garcia, no electoral board member would allow their ACM to have any issues, especially since this could become their problem on Election Day. On Election Day itself, before polling precincts open, another round of initialization will be conducted. COMELEC urges the public to vote on May 12, saying it's everyone's opportunity to help choose the right leaders. For Rod Lagusad, Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.